Alright, Eugene Backyard Repair. Here we are with another one. Subscriber friend of mine, big contributor to the channel. His mom's, I think it's his mom's snowblower here. Took the carburetor off to clean it. Lost one linkage under the porch, which he ended up going to find. Couple other linkages missing, so either we're gonna have to fabricate some linkage, which I got a couple carburetors laying around, or we're gonna have to go with plan B and put on a throttle control and just do away with the governor control. I mean, as long as he doesn't over rev it, or at least instead it's over rev, it should be fine. But they've done it for years and years and years before they come up with this linkage on the governor. So we'll give it a shot and see what happens here. I think the first thing we're gonna do is take a look at the fuel line. He's saying the fuel line's a little rotted. Of course, this is I think it's the Tecumseh. Yep, Tecumseh. Of course, the fuel line runs behind the flywheel, so that's always fun. I think we'll get the carb off, get the tank off. I'm hoping I can hook another line to it and pull it through, but we'll see. All right, let's pause it here, and I'll grab some tools and let's get started. All right, let's start with the 3/8. Get this tank off. Oops, I forgot my porch pin. Good thing about these old snowblowers, everything but the tank and the chute. Two here and a bracket on the bottom. Maybe not. No, this one's a simple one. Oh, thank you. God, I think it's back here. Nothing better than some old fuel. Oh, and it's got a hose clamp on it. Cool. See if we can get that off and get fuel on us. This one. Get a rag here in case it's not shut off. Which I don't know if it is or isn't. Looks like it is. Yeah, I didn't know how to half the tank of fuel. Without wearing it all. We're gonna need that heat gun. That thing's hard as a rock. Hopefully I can get over there with the heat gun. Oh. It is cold out here. I bet it's 15, 20 degrees. See if we got her. Woohoo! Now we're gonna need a pair of pliers for this one. It being this cold, Everything's hard as a rock. Well, that'll solve it. Get the whole tank just no off. Well, then I guess I don't need to worry about getting that off. Now I need to get this off so I can. Oh yeah, that's some turpentine. Yeah, oh yeah. He's got some old gas. I'm guessing some new gas on there too. Well, Scott, I hate to tell you, your only problem wasn't the fuel line leaking. I'll show everybody what was up with this one. So he was having a problem with leaking at the tank. Of course, we got a balloon right on top of me from my birthday. Last week or the week before. Anyway, here's the hose. Here's the clamp. It's only half of a squeeze clamp. There was no other side. Not only was the fuel line old, but the pinch clamps on it were rotted off. Alright, we're gonna pause you. I gotta get the tank empty. Alright, we got the gas tank emptied out. There was something rattling around in there. Here it is. It's the rest of the, I'm gonna guess the gas cap. I'm not sure exactly where this went, but yeah, it's the rest of the gas cap. Alright, it looks like there's a seal, and then there's a piece of, or there used to be a piece of plastic that stuck out that went through the center of that metal piece and held it in there. So then the rubber piece looked like it went like this. There's a piece to come up to the center here that held this in to keep that rubber from falling out, and it broke off. That's good. Not a big deal. All right. I think the first thing we're gonna do is pull this plug, check for water, and I think we might see if she'll just at least fire off a fuel. Grab 80 sockets here, try to find the right one. I like mine, it's the first time. Just want to make sure there's no water inside the motor. I just got the plug ain't tight. It was in the garage. Plug wasn't tight at all. Should be dry. We're gonna get a little WD-40 out of that cylinder before we do anything. There's stuff in the cylinder, Scott. What'd you do? You left the plug out of this thing and that it was sitting outside. There's looks like pine needles in there. Yeah, pine needles won't hurt nothing. They'll burn right up. Unfortunately, it's the one with the piston is off to one side, so you can't even see the cylinder. You get some brake clean off the plug. There was some air. Just want to see if she got spark. Nothing worse than playing around with a carburetor than doesn't even have spark. Alright, put this lever up because I think it's got a kill switch on there. Nothing. Nothing. Well, it's got an electric start button on it. Let's hook up the electric start. Hang on. Alright, we got the electric start button hooked up. I don't know if it works. Well, let's see if we can spark now. Come on, let's do it. It's frozen. That's nothing. Dang it. This is stove. I don't think she has any spark. That's nothing. Let the start doesn't work. Oh, looks like we're pulling the pull starter off of here. Not what we wanted to do, but you gotta do what you gotta do. Let me grab some tools. Alright, here we go. Ah, it's so cold. What do you want up here in New York? The weather time. It's about January 21st. I think it's 21st. It's gonna be cold. I got all together. I think I got 4 of these to pick up. Something like that. I got a couple. I like this primer button too on the full start cover. I think it's fun. Everything comes out the side. Jeez, how long are these screws? Pretty long. Alright, grab a 1/2 inch. Back. Looks like it comes in with the top bolts being hip bolts too. I think. Maybe they were smart and made the inserts on the bottom, the head. I don't know. Looks like they did. The old machine I worked on, I think it was maybe in Aaron's. Anyway, that didn't. It was the stud bolts, studs, like the head bolts were the bolts for the pull start too. Oh, it looks like they made these accessible. Different size, but accessible. Look at that one. Looks like the throttle assembly's on the pull start. Great. Oh yeah. How about a little over tighten? Missed. There's a swing in the mess. I don't know how the throttle linkage got all messed up. Because it's a real pain. Having that linkage hooked right to the pull start lever. Housing. I'm gonna guess this might be old enough to have points on it. I'll know in a minute. Will there or will there not be a mouse in here? This might have to go. Moved over far enough. Nope. Doesn't move any farther. Huh. Look at this kill wire. Kill wire goes to the inside. Oh, awesome. Oh, never mind. It's not even hooked up. Just sitting there. It was broken right off the bottom. Common mistake, people think they unplug from over here. They don't. They unplug from wherever they're hooked to. You can take the whole wire out, but that's good. We're going to pause you and bring you back when I get that pull start off. Alright, we got pull start off. Doesn't look like it's a point system. I didn't think it was that old. Well, that's not good. That usually means the coil went bad on it. We're going to get a wire wheel on a drill and clean up the... What's in here? I don't know. Plastic or a snake? Not snake itself, but the skin. Anyway, we're gonna get a wire wheel and clean up that flywheel and see if we can get spark back. I wish the start would work. It's much easier because I can spin it over without the pull start on there. All right, let's get something to clean that off with. Got the old drill. Got me a brass wire brush here. The other side. Get better than that tight. Let's see where she went. Front back. It is so cold. Hard to even operate stuff out here. This drill doesn't, the keyless chuck is pretty wore out. Somebody just spin them over quick enough by hand. Nope. Got a knot in the middle. Alright, I'm gonna bring you back up and find a socket that fits that. We'll spin it over with the drill. Alright, we got a bit of depth in the drill. Let's see if we can spin this over with the drill. Just go towards me. Do this. Thinking that's the wrong size. Hang on. We got here 15/16. So 7/8. I can find one. Try 7/8. We'll bring back and find the right socket, maybe a match. Alright, let's give her a shot again. Maybe just unloosen from the drill. I'm going backwards, so. Alright, she got spark now. Plug back in. And fuel. Some starting fluid or something down that carburetor. I just want to see if we hear it pop. Then we'll go on from there. Pull the snake skin out of her. eviction. We evicted it. Alright. So we got a little starting fluid over here. Yep. I like to just hear it pop. Might be a little rough with this drill. But we'll give it a shot. Alright, keep pop. Okay. Now we can go on from here. Pick up this. Let's see if I can find my syringe and we'll see if we can get a little fuel, fresh fuel down the throat. Alright, hang on a second. Alright, we got a little infant, it's an infant medicine syringe. Tube on here. Pull some fuel out of the old gas can here. Is that ready? Of course, the fuel's eating away at this seal in there. It's not like it was meant for gas, but it works. Just tell me if the float's gonna stop or if the bowl's gonna leak. I know my buddy said he's had the bowl off of this, so. I'm expecting some issues with the seal on the bowl. One. Maybe a little in there. There's that. Seal came off on this syringe. That's okay, we fixed it once, we'll fix it 10 more times here. Or I'll go buy another one. One or the other. Alright. Fuel on. Got some fuel in it. Let me put the cap back on the gas can before I forget. Let's give her a shot. I need to give her a spray. Get to pick up that fuel. If it'll pick it up at all. Carburetor might be plugged right up too. Carburetor's not picking up any fuel. Well, I want to pull the bowl off, but we're gonna pull it off anyway. Half inch maybe. Actually, don't have it right here on the bench. Where did I put the rag? It's underneath the gas tank somewhere. Okay, I'll get it all. Just to get some of the leakage here. Put that there. I think I got a cup. Oh, there we go. I'll use the cup if I can. I can't get the rice in it. Alright, I'm grab a rice. Thanks for here at the bench. Oh, I don't know what's in bowl. Could be water. And then it displaces the fuel, and the fuel never gets sucked up. Grab 7/16. Keep hitting there's a release right here for the fuel. I want to see what was in the bowl, but I keep hitting it with the wrench. From this side. Nah. Can't get it with the wrench. I need to get it with the socket. I need to move this cup down. This is a true fact. No matter which way you flip this ratchet, when you get into a tight spot, it seems to like something flipped the other direction. Anybody works on any cars and knows what I'm talking about. You get it all the way in the tight spot, so you make sure the wrench is all set. You grab it, get it all the way up in there, and it's the wrong way, like a gremlin. The same gremlin that steals your socks out of the dryer. The same gremlin that flipped the ratchet the other way. This one never ran. The jet is clogged right up. Oh yeah. First, I think the gasket just fell in the bowl. We'll get you a close up on this one. She would have never pulled from fuel. Oh, it's got the needles in the bowl. That's always a good one. Look at inside there. Can you see that? My God. Yeah, and the needle's in the bowl. It's not even in the carburetor. That means it fell down when they put the bowl on, and there's the needle. I didn't pull the foil off yet. It means the needle fell in the bowl. And it's just hammered with stuff. Rust and debris. Hopefully the needle's good. Didn't looks okay. Didn't rust the end off. She needs to clean. I got some micro wire brushes I can use on there, but she's bad. It looks like we'll be pulling this carb off. Hopefully he's came loose, because I think he had it apart once. The back one's always the fun one. I think they want you to take it off from up here at the block, but nobody does. We can do things the hard way. Driving their arms bent. Driving their arms not even tight. The bolt's missing. Whoops. Of course, gotta drop it in the cup. Come on out there. Nope, I dropped the bolt though. I was consistent. Nope. They both landed on top. Now I dropped it on the ground. I'll fly head up here. There she is. I got her. I think we're gonna cut this off somewhere right around here. Obviously, you see me do 20 videos on, not 20, but anyway, 5 videos on rebuilding carburetors. You don't even see another one. Obviously, this carburetor needs to come off, get cleaned. I think we're gonna cut this off here, and I'll pick it up once I got the carburetor reassembled to see if she'll run off the carb. I don't know. I might have to order a new one. Somebody's obviously worked on this one. He was highly trained and knew what he was doing, so we're assuming everything's still okay. Boy, I don't think I can keep anything up in my hand today here. Everything falling. One more thing. Fuel line. At least this one's adjustable on the low speed. Not the high speed adjustment. Just got a plug in there, but the low speed's adjustable. Alright. One more piece and I grab the pliers. I'll try regular pliers. Really hoping not to have to change that fuel line. Like I said, these are a pain in the butt. I don't know why the company thought it was a smart idea to run the fuel line behind the flywheel. Come on, fuel line. Nice carburetor. Give it a bowl. This carburetor. Look at the rust. There's no way that would have ran. No way. Alright, like I said, we're going to cut this video right off here, so we'll bring you back. I don't know if I'll make a part 2 or not, but this is just a disassembly procedure. Anyway, like I said, I think there'll be a part 2 to this. So please like, share, subscribe if you would. Please follow me on Facebook and Instagram. Check out pictures of projects, parts, upcoming things we might be working on, just funny videos, nature, just stuff I put up on Instagram once in a while, not a lot, but anyway, like I said, like check this out and hit that like button if you would, please. I appreciate it, because the more likes I get, the more it gets shared on YouTube, and the more popular maybe my channel will get. Anyway, we're out of here. Peace.